Concussion is a bruise of the brain. Now, this is one that if you Google concussion, you'll still see the concussion picture, and there'll be a picture of the brain hitting the inside of the skull and creating a bruise on the brain. This is the old idea behind concussion, where it was called a coup contra coup injury. The newer theory around concussion is actually an injury to the deeper part of the brain called the white matter. So the outer part of the brain is called the gray matter. The inner part of the brain is called the white matter. And the inner part of the brain contains all the axons that are connected to your neurons. So these are the long pathways or tracks that are your brain cells. And we used to think it was the brain hitting the skull and bouncing back and, hitting, kind of bruising the outer part. But now what we realize is that when the brain undergoes that acceleration, you create these fluid waves in the brain, which actually stretches on these axons, and that's where the injury occurs, deeper down in the brain. You can still get bruising with concussion, but this is called a cerebral contusion, and this is usually involved in more significant injuries.